It's still alive! Yes! Good morning, checkmates. Well, as you can see, we are back with the Calibra today. I'm hoping this is going to be the final push to get it over the finish line. Wish me luck. We have got a fair bit still to go. Today I'm going to start to crack on and make sure we've got no leaks and check with the power steering cooler, make sure that's still okay, make sure that levels are okay, and obviously I will finish plumbing back in the radiator. Okay, right, checked everything is as tight as it can be, giggity and all that, so hopefully it won't leak. There's only one way to find out. That's going to take a little while for it to slowly filter down. I can see the level slowly dropping anyway, so we'll let that carry on for a moment. Okay, that's new. I think, could be wrong, but I think there's supposed to be a rubber grommet washer sealer thing around there. I found the cap's on the floor. So I'll just get back on there for a minute. Could get in something to hold that better in place. Well, quite fabulously, and against all odds at the moment, there are no leaks and no drips. So that's good, it's holding the fluid. So we'll run it and see how they get on with that once the pump's pressurised. Don't know what the fuss is about, it's only flat at the bottom, right? So just nip up this last one on the radiator. There goes nothing. It's still alive! Yes! Well, I'm going to have a drink for a minute, but we've refilled the power steering fluid, that's not leaking. We've replumbed in the rest of the radiator, there's a last couple of clips to do, that's done. I've refilled it with water for the minute, no leaks. I've run it, it started, the battery still held charged, so I'm actually winning at the moment. How long that will last we shall see, but so far so good. Okay, well there is one little job I can do while I'm having a break. Okay, just a few shots of what it's like in the boot underneath the carpet. It's pretty dry, there's no obvious nastiness going on. Moving around. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Screwdriver. They always get lost or stolen. Tyre's pretty shot by the look of it. Yeah, it's flat, but it's understandable. Wheel brace. Yeah, overall quite impressed with that, considering. Thank you for joining us. See you again soon. Bye bye.